For example, P, Q, R, S. For example, Bharat, this is the balanced Wheatstone bridge. We write the formula P by Q equal to R by S. Once again I repeat, this is the balanced Wheatstone bridge. To write P by Q, R by S. Similarly, I take, look here. Look here now. Resistors replaced by capacitors. Look here. C1, C2, C3, C4. Resistors are replaced by capacitors. In the situation, what is the balancing condition of Wheatstone bridge? Now, resistors are in series. RS formula R1 plus R2 and so on. Capacitors in series formula 1 by Cs equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 and so on. Okay? Look here now. Similarly, resistors are in parallel. 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 and so on. Capacitors are in parallel. Cp equal to C1 plus C2 and so on. To check them now, both are inversely. Look here, both are inversely. That means, ella rayali ante idella rasam P by Q. R by S. This is reverse number. C2 by C1. C4 by C2. Look here. C2 by C1 equal to C4 by C3. Look here. C2 by C1. C4 by C3. It will be reversed by using mathematics. C1 by C2 equal to C3 by C4. Any mistake? Look here. Hold. For example, this is C1, this is C2. Here two resistors are there, two capacitors are there. In the situation, what is the balancing condition? P by Q. Look here. P by Q. C2 by C1. This is the balancing condition. Look here once again. Actually, P by Q, R by S, all are resistors. But here, two resistors are there, two capacitors are there. That's why P by Q, C2 by C1. This is the balancing condition in the situation. Effective resistance between P and Q. Diagram is R and look here. 2R, 2R, R, R. Write the diagram R. 2R, 2R. 2R. 2R, P, Q. Look here. Here Nana, look here Nana. Find effective resistance between P and Q. Simply P is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Q is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Current flow. Here current flow. In this point, current divide. But Nana, look here. P by Q, R by S. This is the galvanometer laga untadi. Vision pitch. P by Q enta 2R by 2R 1. R by R by R 1. Simply P by Q 1, R by S 1. Bit G is balanced, so it can be removed. Again, look here. P by Q 1, R by S 1. So bit G is balanced. This also removed. Okay. This is the diagram now. Why here remove? Bit G is balanced. Galvanometer is removed. Not working because no current flow through this way. This way. No electric current. No electrical connection. So these two are removed. Look here. In this point, current divide. So this one, this one, this one. Parallel. This circular diagram look like here. These two are in series. Series formula R1 plus R2, 2RO. These two are in series. 2R, 2R, 4RO. 2R, 2R, 4R. Okay, look here. This point is P. This point is Q. Current flow. In this point, current divide. Current divide means 4R, R, 2R, 4R in parallel. Find effective resistance అన్నాడు. మీరే చెప్తారా ఇప్పుడు 1 by R effective equal to, what is the formula? 3 resistors are in parallel. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. చెప్పాలి జగదీష్ రవి. R1 వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది ఇక్కడ? 4R. R2 వాల్యూ 1 by 2R. R3 value 1 by 4R. To determine LCM, find effective resistance in your own manner. In the given circuit, it is observed. In the given circuit, it is observed that the current I, is independent on, I is independent of value of resistance R5. Find relation between resistors. Very important final exam for the purpose of JEE mains. Diagram is given. Look here. Plus minus. R6 R3, R2, R4, this is the diagram. Okay, look here now. What is the question according to diagram? First read question Darshan properly. It is observed current I is independent upon the R5. Simply, in the R5 no current passing. This R5 is equivalent to galvanometer in the Wheatstone bridge. Okay? Now here no current passing. This bridge is balanced. What is the bridge balance formula? P by Q equal to R by S. This is the galvanometer. This is P. This is Q. This is R, this is S. Look the diagram. This is the galvanometer. P, Q, R, S. What is the condition? P value R1. P by Q. R by S. R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4. Once again repeat. This is the galvanometer. P by Q, R by S. Okay? Cross multiply. Finally we get R1 into R4 equal to R2 into R3. This is the relation between resistors. R, 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 R. R, R. Look the diagram. Find effective resistance between A and B. The question is find R effective between A and B. Look the diagram now, all of you. Look the diagram now, look the diagram. Find R effective between A and B. Very important model. This concept is called symmetric concept. In the mathematics, what is the meaning of symmetry? Symmetry means same. The diagram also divide same. Simply, the diagram is divided equally. Look the diagram. Okay? This is the left part of the diagram. This is the right part of the diagram. What is the concept? Symmetry. The diagram cuts two equal parts. ఇక్కడ కట్ చేస్తే ఈక్వల్ గా అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే ఈ అప్పర్ పార్ట్ చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ అప్పర్ పార్ట్ చూస్తే నాన్న లుక్ ద పార్ట్ నాన్న. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ. ఓకే, హియర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్. డయాగ్రామ్ చూడండి, ఇది ఆర్. ఇక్కడ ఏదో ఉంది నాన్న, ఇంకొక ఆర్ ఉంది కదా. లుక్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రాపర్లీ. ఆర్ ఆర్. ఓకే నాన్న, కరెంట్ ఫ్లో in this point, what happens, the current divide. Current divide means this one what, parallel. But this diagram cutting, this total resistance becomes off. ఇటొక ఆఫ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, ఇటొక ఆఫ్ వెళ్తుంది. కాబట్టి లుక్ హియర్, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆర్ ఉందనైనా ఆల్రెడీ. లుక్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ ఆర్. ఇక్కడ కట్ చేసాం కదా, కట్ చేస్తే రెసిస్టెన్స్ అంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? రో ఎల్ బై ఏ. ఆర్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ఎల్. సో ఎల్ బికమ్స్ ఆఫ్, రెసిస్టెన్స్ బికమ్స్ ఆఫ్. లుక్ ద డయాగ్రామ్. దిస్ పార్ట్ ఆర్ బై 2 ఇట్ విల్ బి అటాచ్ హియర్. మరి ఈ రెండు ఏ కాంబినేషన్? ప్యారలల్. ప్యారలల్ ఫార్ములా, ప్యారలల్ ఫార్ములా we know that RP equal to, we know that, tell me fast, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What is the R1 value? R. What is the R2 value? Darshan, R by 2 whole by R1 plus R2. R plus R by 2. Tell me Nana, 3R by 2. Here R by 2 cancel. Finally we get R by 3. Okay, same diagram now it becomes here now. This is A. Here look here, this is R, this is R. It both are add. Finally we get this value becomes what? R by 3. A is connected to positive. That means here and here in this point current divide. But here current flow continuously. Simply R by 3 in series. Series means R1 plus R2. Same diagram becomes, Nana, the diagram always minimize. This is R. In the above, R plus R by 3. 4R by 3. Okay, 4R by 3. Okay, Nana? Look here. Okay, in the below also, idigo, ee below undi kada, below also. Simply solve in the same manner. This is also called as 4R by 3. Okay, Nana? Idigo, ikkindadi R by 2. R by 2. Idi enta ide R by 2. R by 3. R by 3 in series. Finally 4R by 3. ఇప్పుడు కరెంట్ ఫ్లో చేస్తే దిస్ వన్, దిస్ వన్, దిస్ వన్, అప్పరు, మిడిలు, లోయర్. వాట్ కాంబినేషన్? ప్యారలల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్యారలల్ ఫార్ములా? 1 by RP equal to, tell me fast, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. According to diagram, what is the R1 value? 4R by 3. Reverse, 3 by 4R plus R2 R. Here also 4R by 3, right? 3 by 4R. Okay, here what is the LCM? 4R. Here 3. Here R is 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. This is 1 by RP. What is the RP value? RP value. Reverse, it will be 4R by 10. This is the left part too. Same part easy. This also can be calculated same manner 4r by 10. The problem is symmetry. The diagram cut into two equal parts. This total part become 4r by 10. This part become 4r by 10. Both are in series. Current flow continuously A to B. So that's why both are add whole by 10. 4r plus 4r 8r. Finally solve 2r by 5. Okay. This is the solution of the problem. Sorry Nana. 2 4s, 2 5s. The answer is 4r by 5.